Imagine a kitchen gadget that combines the power of an air fryer with the elegance of glass cookware, all while being compact enough to fit in the smallest of spaces. The Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer is not just another appliance, it's a game changer for anyone seeking convenience, versatility, and style in their cooking routine. Whether you're a busy professional, a college student in a cramped dorm room, or someone who loves experimenting with modern kitchen tech, this innovative device promises to deliver crispy, golden results with minimal effort. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and explore what makes this air fryer stand out from the crowd. Design and build quality. The design of the Ninja Crispi is both sleek and functional. It features a crispy power pod, a handheld heating mechanism that attaches to tempered glass containers. This modular approach makes the appliance highly portable and easy to store. The glass containers, available in two sizes, a 6-cup container for small meals and a 4-quart container for larger dishes, are made from borosilicate glass. This material is thermal shock resistant, meaning it can handle extreme temperature changes from 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit without cracking or shattering. The containers are thoughtfully designed with compact handles for easy gripping, but these handles can get quite hot during cooking. This requires careful handling with oven mitts, which may be inconvenient for some users. Additionally, the glass containers come with BPA-free storage lids, allowing you to cook, serve, and store leftovers in the same dish. However, it's important to note that the Crispi is only compatible with Ninja's proprietary glassware. Using other containers could result in safety hazards like melted plastic or broken glass. The entire system is compact and lightweight, weighing approximately 15.74 pounds, with dimensions of 13.39 inches in length, 11.97 inches in width, and 13.58 inches in height. This makes it easy to store in tight spaces when not in use. Cooking system and features. The Ninja Crispi offers 4-in-1 functionality with 4 preset cooking modes. Air fry, 400 to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for achieving crispy textures with minimal oil. Max crisp, 425 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, designed for frozen foods needing intense heat. Bake, 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, suitable for baking items like cookies or cinnamon rolls. Recrisp, 380 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for reviving leftovers like fries or chicken wings. Each mode has a fixed temperature range that cannot be manually adjusted. However, users can set specific cooking times using the digital display and control buttons. While this simplifies operation for beginners, it may feel restrictive for experienced cooks who prefer precise temperature control. The system includes crisper plates for both container sizes, allowing you to cook multiple elements of a meal simultaneously, such as chicken and vegetables or spaghetti and meatballs. The transparent glass containers are another standout feature, enabling you to monitor your food as it cooks without opening the appliance. Performance. In terms of performance, the Ninja Crispi delivers results comparable to traditional air fryers, but with added versatility. During tests with popular frozen snacks like pizza rolls, the Crispi produced crispy exteriors and melty interiors with minimal effort, results nearly identical to those achieved by standard air fryers or ovens. However, unlike ovens that require preheating and longer cook times, the Crispi heats up quickly and cooks efficiently. For baked goods like cinnamon rolls, the appliance performed well but required flipping or additional cooking time to ensure even results when cooking larger batches. The compact size of the containers can sometimes limit airflow around food items, making flipping necessary for uniform crispiness. One unique advantage of the Crispi is its portability. The power pod can be detached from one container and attached to another seamlessly, allowing you to cook multiple dishes back to back without waiting for cleanup or cooling down periods. Ease of use. The Ninja Crispi is incredibly user-friendly thanks to its straightforward design and preset cooking modes. Setting up the appliance is quick. Simply attach the power pod to your chosen container, select your desired mode using the digital display, set the timer, and start cooking. Cleaning is also a breeze since all removable components, the glass containers, crisper plates, and storage lids, are dishwasher safe. The power pot itself should be wiped clean with a damp cloth but cannot be submerged in water. Portability and storage. One of the standout features of this appliance is its portability. The entire system nests together neatly for compact storage, a significant advantage over traditional air fryers with bulky baskets that take up considerable counter space. Its lightweight design also makes it easy to transport between locations like offices or potluck dinners. Additionally, Ninja has equipped the appliance with fixed heat-safe feet that allow you to safely place it on various surfaces such as granite, laminate, quartz, or butcher block countertops without causing damage. Downside: limited compatibility with only Ninja's proprietary glassware. Handles on glass dishes become very hot during use. Fixed preset temperatures may feel restrictive for advanced users. Smaller capacity may not suit large families or big batch cooking. Uneven cooking may require flipping food items mid-cycle. Who is it for? The Ninja Crispi is best suited for individuals or couples who value convenience and portability over large cooking capacity. It's an excellent option for students in dorms, professionals who want quick meals at work, or anyone living in small apartments where counter space is at a premium. However, if you already own a traditional air fryer or need an appliance capable of preparing large meals for families or gatherings, this product may not be a necessary upgrade. So, should you buy it? The Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer cooking system is a game changer for those looking to simplify meal prep without sacrificing quality or functionality. Its innovative design combines portability with high performance while offering added versatility through its multifunctional modes and dual-purpose glass containers. While it may not replace a full-sized air fryer for larger households or avid cooks requiring precise temperature control, it excels as a secondary appliance or primary solution for small space living. If you're new to air frying or seeking a compact alternative to traditional models, I wholeheartedly recommend giving the Ninja Crispi a try. It's an investment that delivers on its promises while making everyday cooking easier and more enjoyable.